Hi everyone, Darko here and welcome to today's video. It's Thursday the 4th of February 2021. So far this week we had 4 trades and I will cover those with you and the outcome of it. Let's just start with the CAD Swissy. The CAD Swissy was a pending order up in here, and let me show you the screenshot of the premium charts. So this was the screenshot of the premium charts where we had a pending order. This is the entry with the low stop loss aiming to the upside. Okay, so basically we got filled to the pip and price is right now currently up 2.6 of the initial risk, so this is a winning trade regardless. There are some scaling opportunities at this major level of resistance, and obviously if you look at your weekly chart you will see that we have a strong level of resistance that is just before the bigger one for profit targets. Euro yen was this trade. We got filled in here. Let me show you the screenshot first. Let's see here. This was the screenshot. This was the fill in here with the low stop loss aiming to the upside. Price went against us right away. I did not get stopped out. When price pulled back into this level of resistance, I scaled 70% of my account, so I took a reduced loss. Some people took reduced loss as well, and some of the clients took a full loss. Okay, and everything is obviously typed in the chat room, and everything is pointed out in advance. Euro Kiwi was a shorting opportunity. Let me show you the screenshot of Euro Kiwi first. So this was the premium chart that I posted in advance because price was heading down on every time frame. So this was the entry with the high stop loss. This hit target. We hit target for just over like 150 pips. This was 2.5 to 1 trade target. So this was our best trade so far this week. Kiwi yen is a trade that we are currently in. We are in a shorting up in here. Let me show you the screenshot of this potential trade. So this was the entry with the high stop loss. The reason for it was because we were at monthly, weekly, daily resistance. So we got filled in here. Actually, we got filled in here, and price went down to this neckline, which was, more than the initial risk of the trade, which was 20 pips. So I did some scaling. If you missed this opportunity, or if you didn't get filled in here, you had definitely some scaling opportunity up in here as well to make this trade a break even regardless, because now even if I get stopped out as my initial risk, because I couldn't risk reduce because this high is almost as high as this high, so even if I get stopped out, this will be no worse than break even trade. So I'm still in this trade, half position. And here's the thing, all of these trades were actually explained in a PMA that I just uploaded to the CC Starter. So if you're not a member of the CC Starter, this is for free. It doesn't cost you a dime. I'm not trying to sell you anything. So just sign up. It's for free. You get that free PMA, one free PMA per week, and I just uploaded Tuesday's PMA where I explain some of these trades in great details, which have a very benefit for your trading. And I also want to thank you so much for supporting my podcast. We just hit 130,000 downloads. Jeez, thank you so much. And my first episode just reached over 18,000 downloads. So if you are been watching my free content lately and you see how I'm trading, if you want to become a price action trader, only trading pure price action, and you are interested in joining the service, I actually made an offer we never done before. If you listen to my latest episode, there is actually a podcast listener discount that we never ever given to anyone before. You won't be seeing that pricing anywhere else. So if you are interested in that, and this is my way of saying thank you, okay? So send me an email to darko@forexmentor.com. That's DARKO@forexmentor.com, and I will send you that special link with that heavy discount. Thank you so much for listening. I wish you a fantastic weekend. So until next time, take care and stay safe. Cheers.